Don't download Crazy Egg Enterprise Conversion Suite app before watching this. Before you download Crazy Egg Enterprise, here's the key reality: it's not just about clicks. At the enterprise level, Crazy Egg provides heatmaps, up testing, and conversion tracking, but most teams get this wrong by treating it as a simple analytics tool. Step 1. Define conversion goals. Know what you want to measure: sales, leads, or sign-ups. Most people get this wrong by testing everything without focus, which dilutes results. Step 2. Set up heatmaps and recordings. Crazy Egg allows you to see where users click and scroll. The surprising truth is, without proper segmentation, insights can be misleading. Step 3. Run app tests. Test headlines, catas, and layouts to optimize conversions. Without testing, improvements are guesswork. Step 4. Analyze results and iterate. Use insights to refine your site and campaigns. Teams that ignore data waste potential growth. The upside: proper Crazy Egg Enterprise use can boost conversion rates by up to 25%, improve user experience, and reduce bounce rates. So, should you download it? Yes, but only if your team can focus on goals, configure tracking correctly, and act on test results. For smaller sites, standard Crazy Egg may be sufficient. Subscribe for expert tips on optimizing conversions with data-driven insights.